Do you want to enable the repost button on your Instagram posts and allow people to repost your content? I'll show you two different methods of doing this. And the first step in this process is to go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and then check if you're running the latest version of the Instagram app on your device. If you have this update option, then tap on the button and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the Instagram app downloads and installs on your device. This process is going to ensure that you get all of the latest features and functions, including the repost button for your posts. Another thing is to open Instagram, hop over to your profile page, and then we'll have to enable the button manually because there may be a possibility that it's disabled within the settings. So from our profile page, I'm going to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen in order to access my settings. I'm on the settings page, so from here, scroll a bit down until you find this sharing and reuse option. So I'll click here, and then this is going to show me some options related to the sharing of my posts, reels, and stories. If you want to enable the repost button on your posts and reels, just turn this switch on, and then a button will appear under every one of your Instagram posts and Instagram reels. The button will look like two arrows, and it will be located next to the comment button. When other people click on this button, they will repost your photos or your Instagram reels. So that's it for this video, everyone. If you need more similar videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to the App Tutor YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.